Hey guys, I actually forgot how to draw a square, so I thought today we could go through that together and learn how to draw a square together. So yeah, we'll just go through all the steps together and and figure out how to draw a square. Um, so a square is a I don't know what the quadri quadrilat lateral. So I don't actually know what this is, guys. We'll just skip that. Uh I don't have a ruler or a protractor, so we'll skip all these steps. This is looking very complicated. Uh, uh, huh. Wow. Huh. Compass method. Wait. Actually, I think I know this method. They're overcomplicating it in the pictures, but I'll show you guys the compass method. So uh, draw a compass. Well, that pencil's a bit light, bit hard to see in the recording. Here we go. Draw a compass, just like any other compass, and then once you have your compass, just to draw lines around the compass, and then erase the inside, erase the compass, and then just darken those outside lines, and perfect square, guys. Now it's that easy. Um, but you know since we had to learn that one together, I'll show you how to do a rectangle as well, because I realized my triangle video had a lot of rectangles in it, and some of you may not know how to draw rectangles yet. So what you're gonna want to do is draw a compass, just like the square. Now I'm gonna draw this, and then we'll stop for a sec as I explain what's going on. So a lot of scholars have argued whether a square is just a long or a rectangle with even sides, or if a rectangle is just a really long square. So I think they're both wrong. A rectangle is actually just two squares. So let me continue and show you what I mean. So you draw another compass, and you draw your boxes around the compass, like I showed you to draw a box or a square, like so. Now you erase the compasses and erase the middle lines. Now you have some space here, but connect those, and you have a perfect rectangle. Honestly, that's how it's two squares. I know a lot of people look up to scholars, but sometimes they don't know what things actually are, because they don't look at the practical effect of what it actually is. It's like that guy who said what is it? That apples created gravity or something? I don't know. Pretty stupid if you ask me, but anyways, I'm going off on a tangent, guys. So that's how you do a rectangle. And I know I showed you two things today, guys, but only practice the square for a bit and then the rectangle, or else you'll end up forgetting how to draw something like I did when I forgot how to draw the square. Um, I've just been drawing too many other things like triangles. So I can draw a triangle pretty easily like that, but I still need the compass method for the square, it seems. But once you know how to do this, you could draw like anything that's square shaped, honestly, um like uh like your drawing pad. So oh crap. Sorry guys, that's what happens when I don't use the compass method. So you draw the square, and then the drawing pad usually has like a rectangle of in it. So you draw you do both the squares with the compass method, erase the middle, and then draw a line because there's a wire, and there's your drawing pad. And that's all for today, guys. Next week we'll look at how to next video we'll look at how to combine all of these to create a cool picture. Peace out.